Remember I spoke to you about expense and expenditures? Look at that, what it says. How should revenue and expenditures or expenses be recognized? Under a modified accrual basis and an under accrual basis. Okay, so this is all theoretical stuff, but it's very, very important. Go back to your commercial accounting. When we use the accrual basis of accounting, we always recognize revenues when they are earned and recognize expenses when they are incurred, right? That's your accrual basis of accounting. Under the modified accrual basis of accounting, revenues are recognized when measurable and available. That is some crazy term. Measurable and available. Let me give you an example. Measurement seems pretty simple. You know, you can measure, but what does it mean by available? Let's say you receive property taxes. Somebody was very rich and he decided to send his property taxes in advance. Instead of next year paying the taxes next year, he pays it to you right now and he gets the bill for next year. Are they available to you now, even though you've received them? Remember I talked to you about budgets? What do we want to do? You want to spend monies for the period when they are earned, right? So that's why we use the word. So even though it's measurable, but it's technically not available to us in this period. Do you see that? So that's why it's very important. And expenditures when they are incurred. Look at the definition. Expenses when incurred and expenditures when incurred. Same thing. But what you will find out very shortly is it's not the same thing. Expenditures are very, very different from expenses. Revenues are easy to deal with, but expenditures and expenses can mean different things, okay? And that's what we'll focus on. These are the three types of activities. So once again, what is governmental activity again? What are some examples? Police services, fire services, right? Parks and recreation, public works. These are all governmental types of activities, right? And then you obviously have administrative activities that are involved. And what are the business type activities? NJ Transit, New Jersey Turnpike. What are they? They are businesses. They literally operate like businesses, right? They could be electric utilities, gas utilities, airports, golf courses, as I said. And then what are fiduciary activities? They are your trusts, right, where pension trust funds are big, and we'll take a look at some other ones too. But right now, I want you to just understand the three types of activities that governments are involved in. Okay, now let's take a look at the financial statements. We are first going to look at the government-wide statements. A good word would be consolidated